Hello guys! Today's video is all about making passive income on Etsy. So let's jump right into it. First, let me give you a taste of what's possible with this business model. Let's look at this store with more than 30,000 sales. If you head over to this shop and consider that there is more than one product you can buy, one still can assume that this store made probably more than $150,000 just by selling a few digital downloads. You may ask, what is a digital download? A digital download is some kind of art, a card design, a motif for a canvas, or even planners like calendars, this kind of stuff. You're going to create them once and your customers will be able to download it immediately after making the purchase without having to wait for a physical product to be shipped to their house. So let's look at another store. This one has nearly 12,000 sales, which made approximately around $85,000 from just having some digital prints listed. I mean, this is amazing. Oh, let's have a look at this store. I mean, do I need to go on? You can make a lot of money just by selling digital art. So today we're going to break down step by step how you can start making money with this business on Etsy as well.
Okay, let's get started. The first very important step would be to brainstorm ideas and find out what you actually want to create and sell. The best way to do this without paying for any tool is just going to etsy.com and using the search engine. Just type in the word printable and you will see all these suggestions like printable wall art, planner, Valentine's art, stickers, etc. And if you click on one thing, it will also suggest you another thing and so on. Another keyword you can use is the word digital or digital template. It will give you lots of ideas and hopefully inspire you to create something of your own. So guys, after browsing for a few minutes, we found a Valentine's card that we really liked and wanted to recreate. Only to show you how easy it can be to design something like this. Of course, you should never actually copy someone's design. You should only use other people's art to gather inspiration. And don't worry about designing something of your own. It's pretty easy to turn your ideas into reality when you're using Canva. It's literally one of our favorite apps ever.
So, for step number 2, you can click on our link in the description to get access to a free trial month on Canva. Third point. Canva is essential for creating this digital art because it makes it super easy and accessible for everyone. Okay, let's start recreating this Valentine's Day card, adding our own touch to it so we don't violate any copyright issues. First, put in the text, I'm yours, no refunds. Second, put in the graphics. It's very easy, you can just duplicate it all the time. And get inspired by all the Canva templates. You're not allowed to use them as they are because of copyright issues. However, if you just use it as a baseline, change the fonts, add different elements, you can create a beautiful design in no time. At the end, just click on share and pick the format you like, the size, and download it. That's it.
Okay, the next step is optional, but it's a bonus tip if you want your listing to look extra nice and professional. You can go to this website called Place It and actually upload your design on a mock-up product. Let me show you how it works. You type in your product, in this case a greeting card, and click on the picture that you like most. Then you just have to upload your design, crop it, and the app automatically places it perfectly on the product. That's genius, right? You can now download this picture and use it for your Etsy store.
So, point number 5. How to create your Etsy listing. Just go on Etsy and type in 40 free listings. Click on the first listing and scroll a little down. And in the description you can always find a link. Just click on it and you can open up your store with your 40 free listings for free.
Okay, we're almost done, guys. The last thing you have to do to get your first sale is to promote your Etsy shop correctly. So for this, you should keep in mind that Etsy is actually a search engine like Google, which means that SEO plays a big role here. Include all the necessary keywords in your title so people can find your listing easily. Also, have a look at the listings of your competitors. If you would like a more detailed explanation on SEO marketing and other ways to market your store, let us know in the comments and we will make a detailed video about this. We also recommend that you scale your profits by using all of the 40 free item listings. You don't need to have all 40 printable products ready when you start selling, but we recommend to add more products to your store over time.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening, guys.
Please leave a like and subscribe if you like our videos.
See you next time.